Right now, we're seeing travel sentiment spike at plus 0.41 with a momentum of plus 1.50, which is notably higher than our historical baseline. This uptick suggests a renewed enthusiasm for travel, perhaps driven by recent global events or easing restrictions. With 20 semantic clusters, our API provides nuanced insights into what travelers are excited about, from destinations to experiences. Imagine using this data to enhance your travel app by personalizing recommendations based on current sentiments. You could surface trending destinations, helping users make informed choices when planning their next getaway. Curious to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.